Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I was able to arrange my schedule around a little bit to get a night hunt in here. So tonight I'm hunting in North Carolina at one of my favorite creeks. Super excited to get started here tonight because it's been a little while for me. But I'll let you guys know what I find and keep you posted. Wish me luck. Thanks. Alright guys, so starting out just looking at the gravel beds. There is so much stuff here since I was here last season. It is insane. Like, I thought I hunted this whole entire place out. Honestly, I was like, why would I even come back here? But this place has been replenished and it's so shocking. Look, so there's whalebone here. Check that out. Should put it on the side here. Guess we'll put it up here for now. There's so much stuff. There's more whalebone here. Just a good old piece of it. There is, let's see what that is. I don't know. What is that? I think just a rock. Anyway, but like tons and tons of bone. So it's gonna be, look at that. That's bone right there. And there's bone right there. I mean, jeez. Look at all that bone already. Like, and I'm just scanning the gravel beds. That is insane. It is gonna be a crazy night if I'm already finding this much bone and I haven't even started digging yet. Like, that's crazy. Let's see, there's more there too. Look at that. I mean, geez. That's a whole chunk of rib bone from a whale. I actually wouldn't be half surprised if I found a tooth in here, just because there's so much gravel. But anyway, I will let you guys know what I end up finding here. Already off to a great start already, so we'll keep it up. Alright guys, so looking around a little more, just came across this whale ear bone. That's pretty crazy. Check that out. Dang. It is just crazy what you can just find surface collecting. Look at that thing. Jeez. Really nice. Awesome. Alright guys, might be a little difficult to see, but we have a tiger. Really nice. Just perfect. These teeth usually are really nice. Usually come in almost out of the formation, like almost straight out of the formation. I mean, they do, of course, all come from the formation, but it's just a matter of when they come out. Sometimes they come out early and the teeth will be worn. And sometimes you can get them as soon as they come out and the teeth will be like pristine, like this one. So really nice tiger shark tooth. And we also have one more in here actually. I'm very shocked that I found one already, and it is a great white. So go ahead and wash those off. Wow, great white this early on is a little uncommon. So like, this is my second screen, so amazing. Look at that. Hoping for many more. Alright guys, got something down in the water here. It's probably whalebone, but probably not like a tusk or anything. Let's take a look and see. Yep, that's a rib bone from a whale. That is pretty sick actually. That's huge. I usually don't find them this large. I mean, that's just huge. You can see it's pretty thin overall. Definitely rib for my large whale. Fossilized bone, of course. But man, that's actually a really cool piece. You could use it as a display piece for like a cabinet or something, or a table. Pretty sick actually. Usually don't find them that large, but heck yeah. Let's see what else we can get out here. Hey guys, alright, so check this out. I think we have a big whalebone right here actually. This area is kind of actually similar to where I found my other whale skull actually. So who knows guys, this could be potentially another skull or skull piece, or it could be just a random vertebra. Not really sure, so I'm gonna get digging. But that is pretty crazy. It looks pretty big so far. So yeah, I don't know. We'll dig this out and see what it is. But it's gonna take a while, so we'll get started. Alright guys, so that really didn't take long at all. Just had a couple shovelfuls and I was able to loosen it up. So I don't think it is a whale skull or anything like that. I think it's just a piece of whale bone. But, you know, it's still cool. It has like the structure as if it would be from a skull. So that's why I got excited there for a moment. But dang, you know, who knows, next time, hopefully. Can't always find a skull every day, so yeah, we'll see what else we can find. Alright guys, so I went back to sifting for a little bit and actually came across a white, a great white. Check that out. It is a lower in the bottom jaw of the great white. Pretty nice little gem. I mean, not bad. I will definitely take that, man. Sweet little G-dub. Pretty sick. Heck yeah. Alright guys, so next screen here already. I have a lower great white. It has been crazy with these things tonight, actually. I usually don't find that many lowers, but this one is not too bad either. Check that out, guys. Nice lower great white. Maybe we can get an upper to match it. Pretty sweet. Alright guys, got a great white in the screen. Right there. Not bad. It is an upper. A little worn overall. Tip damage. But a great white is a great white, and I'll take that any day. Still got some of the serrations on it, not bad. Sure, I'll take that. Sweet. Whoops. Pretty nice. Let's see what else we can get. Alright guys, so next screen here. Found a really cool piece actually. This looks like a jaw piece from either a whale or some mammal. Probably not a whale, probably a dolphin. It's way too small to be a whale. So you can see actually the sockets on where the teeth used to be. But that's pretty much it for that one. I also have another real nice piece. I have a tiger shark tooth down here actually. Real nice. Check that out, guys. Very nice. Like basically pristine, just perfect. Love this type of quality on these teeth. Sometimes you get some really good ones. Awesome, awesome little tooth. Sweet. Alright guys, so here are the finds from the trip. Overall it was a really good trip. Actually went out there twice. Did really well as far as the whalebone goes. I mean, there's just tons and tons of pieces. There is like billfish rostrums like that. There's like skull pieces, either whale or another mammal. This is like a skull cap, or partial one of course. Really interesting. Rare stuff. That's pretty uncommon. Just craziness. Very cool. Also really big whale bones as well, like this one. Big, massive piece. If I can turn it around here a little bit. Just a massive, massive rib bone. It actually would be really nice to display, but still, massive, massive piece. You know, just a couple of the random bones here and there. Random rib bones. Got some nice, nice pieces actually. But that's pretty much it for those. Coming down to some of the teeth. Got a couple real nice great whites here. Sorry for the shaking. Little gem of a lower. Nice tooth. Couple nice lowers there. That upper isn't too bad. Take a look at that one. Nothing like crazy nice, but did find a lot out here, so I'm happy with that. Nice great white. Nice whale ear bone there. Nice piece. Looks like a little bit of a tusk, like probably Gomphotherium. This one's worn pretty good, so not too much there. Nice gastropod there, or like basically a shell. Fossilized, of course. Nice one. And then there is Copperlight, or fossilized shark poop. Got some really nice pieces. Check out that one, guys. Like, goodness sakes. Look at the detail and all the grooves and everything in it is so nice. Yeah, a lot of really nice pieces, actually. Take a look at those. And I got the junkers down there, and a few nice tigers here as well. That one is very nice. Came in right out of the formation, so it looks pristine. Very, very nice. And a couple others here as well. That one is also really nice. Right out of the formation. But that is pretty much it overall, guys. Great trip out there. Tons of bone. It's ridiculous. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you leave me a like, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't already. But that's pretty much it. I will see you next time.